10 insane reasons why celeriac should be in every meal. Celeriac, also known as celery root, is a versatile and nutritious root vegetable that deserves more attention for its impressive health benefits. Despite its knobby and unassuming appearance, celeriac is packed with essential nutrients and offers numerous advantages for overall health. Here, we explore the key health benefits of incorporating celeriac into your diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Celeriac is a low-calorie vegetable that is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a nutrient-dense addition to your meals. A 100-gram serving of celeriac provides a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health, and vitamin B6, essential for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters. Additionally, celeriac is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper heart function, as well as phosphorus, which is crucial for healthy bones and teeth. It also contains small amounts of calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese. Number 2. Potential digestive benefits. Celeriac is considered a fiber-rich food. Consuming adequate dietary fiber can support digestive processes, metabolic functions, and regular bowel habits. This might offer protection against certain health issues, including cancer of the colon. Research indicates that sufficient fiber consumption is crucial for nourishing beneficial gut microorganisms, which play a vital role in various aspects of health, such as safeguarding against conditions like diabetes and excess weight gain. Number 3. Possible bone health support. Celeriac is rich in phosphorus and vitamin K, two nutrients crucial for bone strength. Vitamin K plays a role in enhancing the body's calcium absorption and reducing bone loss. Research from 5 observational studies indicates that people with the highest vitamin K consumption were 22% less likely to experience bone fractures compared to those with the lowest intake. A separate review of 7 studies demonstrated that daily intake of 45 mg of vitamin K decreased hip fracture risk by 77%. In addition to calcium, proper phosphorus levels are vital for bone reinforcement. Observational research indicates a connection between higher phosphorus consumption and improved bone health, as well as a lower risk of osteoporosis. Number 4. Rich in antioxidants. Celeriac contains a high concentration of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation by combating harmful free radicals and safeguarding healthy cells from harm. This protective action may help prevent various conditions, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. These antioxidants might also contribute to slowing the aging process. Celeriac, particularly when consumed raw, is also a notable source of vitamin C, which functions as an antioxidant and can potentially enhance immune system function. Number 5. Supporting weight management. Celeriac can serve as a tasty and nourishing component in a balanced diet aimed at weight control. This root vegetable stands out for its low calorie and carbohydrate content, unlike many of its counterparts. Its adaptability allows it to be incorporated into various dishes, offering a pleasant crunch to health-conscious snacks and side dishes. Furthermore, celeriac is rich in fiber and protein, both of which play crucial roles in weight management. Fiber moves through the digestive system at a slow pace, promoting a feeling of fullness that can help reduce cravings and curb appetite. Protein, on the other hand, slows down stomach emptying and decreases levels of ghrelin, the hormone that triggers hunger sensations. Number 6. Potential cardiovascular benefits. Celeriac is abundant in potassium and vitamin K, both of which play crucial roles in heart health. Potassium can assist in managing blood pressure by counteracting the negative effects of high sodium intake in susceptible individuals. Research has shown that increased potassium consumption is associated with a reduced risk of health issues such as stroke. A comprehensive review of 16 observational studies revealed that higher potassium intake was linked to a 13% lower risk of stroke. Vitamin K may contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease by preventing calcium accumulation in blood vessels, which can lead to vessel hardening and narrowing. Additionally, celeriac contains vitamin C, which may improve blood vessel function and lipid profiles in certain populations, such as individuals with diabetes or low vitamin C levels. Number 7. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Research suggests that celeriac rich in vitamin K might help combat cancer. Laboratory and animal studies have shown that vitamin K can inhibit the expansion and dissemination of cancer cells. A comprehensive observational study involving over 24,000 participants indicated that vitamin K2 was linked to lower risks of cancer development and mortality. Furthermore, a review of 5 studies on cancer patients who underwent surgery revealed that vitamin K supplementation post-operation slightly enhanced overall survival rates after 1 year. Number 8. Celeriac's B vitamin content. This root vegetable is also a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6. According to Tombarello, the B vitamins in celeriac support essential bodily functions, including the immune system, brain, and nervous system. Vitamin B6, also referred to as pyridoxine, not only provides these benefits, but also aids in the treatment and prevention of anemia. Number 9. Promotes metabolic wellness. Incorporating celeriac into one's diet can be advantageous for individuals with metabolic conditions, or those seeking to prevent them. This is partially attributed to its fiber content, a carbohydrate that decelerates digestion and helps moderate blood sugar responses. Consuming this vegetable results in less pronounced fluctuations in blood sugar and energy levels. This effect may be particularly significant for those managing metabolic issues, such as type 2 diabetes, as it simplifies blood sugar control. Moreover, compared to other root vegetables, celeriac contains fewer total carbohydrates, further enhancing its blood sugar management properties. Number 10. Enhances immune function. This root vegetable contains substantial amounts of vitamins C and E, which bolster immunity. It also offers various plant compounds including phthalates, terpenes, polyphenol, and pigments such as chlorophyll and carotenoids. These micronutrients function as antioxidants, helping to decrease bodily inflammation and combat free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules associated with minor issues like wrinkles and more serious conditions such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Well, that is all about the health benefits of celeriac. However, here are some frequently asked questions about celeriac. Let's check it out. Question 1. How do you prepare celeriac? To prepare celeriac, first, trim off the top and bottom, then use a knife to peel away the rough outer skin. You can then chop, slice, or grate the flesh depending on the recipe. Celeriac can be boiled, roasted, mashed, or even eaten raw in salads. Question 2. What does celeriac taste like? Celeriac has a flavor that is a mix between celery and parsley with a slightly nutty undertone. It is milder than celery and has a creamy texture when cooked. Question 3. Is celeriac good for you? Yes, celeriac is nutritious and low in calories. It is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. It also contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Question 4. Can you eat celeriac raw? Yes, celeriac can be eaten raw. It is often grated or thinly sliced and added to salads. Its crisp texture and mild flavor make it a great addition to slaws and other raw dishes. Question 5. What are some common ways to cook celeriac? Celeriac can be roasted, boiled, mashed, or pureed. It is often used in soups and stews or as a substitute for potatoes. It can also be thinly sliced and baked to make celeriac chips. Question 6. Is celeriac suitable for people on a low-carb diet? Yes, celeriac is relatively low in carbohydrates compared to other root vegetables, making it a good option for those on a low-carb diet. It can be used as a substitute for potatoes in many dishes. Question 7. Can you grow celeriac at home? Yes, celeriac can be grown in a home garden. It requires a long growing season around 110 to 120 days, plenty of water, and rich, well-drained soil. It is typically planted in early spring. Question 8. What are some good recipes that include celeriac? Some popular recipes with celeriac include celeriac soup, mashed celeriac, celeriac gratin, and celeriac remoulade. It can also be roasted with other root vegetables or used in salads. Question 9. Is celeriac healthier than potatoes? For those seeking to reduce their calorie or carbohydrate intake, celeriac serves as an alternative to potatoes. According to USDA data, a cup of boiled celeriac pieces contains 42 calories and 9.14 grams of carbohydrates. In comparison, an equal amount of boiled potatoes provides 134 calories and 31.2 grams of carbohydrates. Question 10. What is the healthiest way to eat celeriac? Celeriac soup is ideal for chilly days. For a more nutritious option, consider oven baking celeriac chips. This root vegetable complements creamy ingredients and cheese well. For your next roast dinner, try a celeriac bake with a Parmesan crumb topping as a side dish. Another option is to create a simple variation of mashed potatoes by making celeriac champ. Question 11. Why do chefs love celeriac? Chefs appreciate celeriac for its remarkable adaptability in the kitchen. This vegetable offers a unique and intriguing flavor profile and texture. Its subtle celery notes harmonize with and amplify a wide range of other tastes. Question 12. Is celeriac good for skin? Although it may appear unremarkable, celeriac is rich in crucial vitamins and minerals. It provides a significant amount of vitamin C, which bolsters the immune system and contributes to healthy skin. Question 13. Is celeriac high in sugar? While celery root is classified as a root vegetable, it contains minimal natural sugars, with only 2.5 grams per cup. Additionally, celeriac provides 2.8 grams of fiber. A food's glycemic index indicates the extent and speed at which it elevates blood sugar levels. Question 14. Is celeriac gassy? Celeriac contains a high amount of fiber, which may lead to digestive discomfort and gas, particularly for those unaccustomed to fiber-rich foods. It's advisable to begin with small portions of celeriac before incorporating it as a main side dish or using it as a potato substitute. Question 15. Should I peel celeriac? Despite common misconceptions, the skin of celeriac is actually edible when properly cleaned. It responds well to both roasting and boiling methods. Question 16. What is celeriac called in America? In the United States, celeriac goes by several names, including celery root, turnip-rooted celery, and knob celery. This large, rough-textured, brown vegetable is typically harvested during the winter months. Question 17. Can you eat too much celeriac? Celeriac contains high levels of vitamin K, which, in combination with phosphorus, plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, and might possess cancer-fighting properties. However, it's important to note that vitamin K can influence blood coagulation. Consequently, individuals taking anticoagulant medications should be cautious about consuming large quantities of celeriac. Question 18. Is celeriac stronger than celery? The root of celeriac has a significantly more pronounced taste than celery stalks. For this reason, it's advisable to be cautious when considering a direct one-to-one substitution between these two ingredients. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.